So welcome back to topic 3 of this. In this topic, we will just explain what is webhooks. So you just understand in this manner that webhooks is something which will link your nodemcu board to Blink. This is the communication or the contact through which we could link URLs or servers. So webhooks does a very important role on this. So we have over here ifttt over here. We'll search for webhooks. So you will find webhooks right over here and we'll search it. So let's see what happens over here. We'll go to the service and here it's webhooks. We'll click on it. After you click on it, you just connect to it. Just connect to this. I have already been connected, so I don't show it doesn't shows me the option of connection, but it will show to you. Just connect it to the email ID, and here is the webhooks. See, we will link through this. How all this works, we'll just have it in the next video. Actually, in this next topic, we'll just explain you how to connect or how to use these all things and just operate it from anywhere or from any device or over the internet. There is a server which is there and you could do it from anywhere in the entire world and just use that particular device or particular LED. You could glow, you could show off, or you could connect anything from anywhere. You could control anything. So thank you for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.